You guys asked for an update on the SlimePack_392 charger. Let's get into it. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And I just got done sewing up this damn seat in the GTO, and it looks like some Frankenstein shit, but I'll take it. Today we're talking about, let me turn this AC down so it's not blowing out the microphone. We're talking about SlimePack_392's original Dodge Charger 392 Scat Pack. That's what we're talking about today. And you guys know, and I post updates on this on Instagram, so if you follow me on Instagram at TK's Garage, it's the best way to stay up to date on what exactly is going on with that car. Now, the crux of the matter is the insurance company who paid out SlimePack has been messing around and not getting the title to Copart. If you guys have watched, you know, I've had that car as high as $22,000 that I have personally bid on. This will be the fifth time that I have bid this car up. I am currently the high bidder on this car. I expect, especially with the current market, which is why I think the insurance company is doing what they're doing. I think they were like, wait, the market's still going up, it's still going up. And they're letting it sell, and then they're going, oh, we don't have the title. And then Copart's like, they kind of, how it basically works is it could be on title pending, but the seller has the option to be, because it's a pure sale. Whatever it sells for, it sells for. That's the wonderful thing about SlimePack's car, is whatever my bid is at the winning bid, that's what I'm going to pay for the car. Plus fees and, you know, whatever. But, anywho's, we've been there, and we've been at the live auction point, and this happens. This is not just confined to just SlimePack's car. This has happened with a bunch of cars. Anybody that bids on a salvage auction can tell that. You could be in the auction and bidding, and people are bidding back and forth, and then all of a sudden, like, it'll freeze, and then bloop, that lot number's pulled. Nobody won it. That's happened. This will be number 5. We're hoping it doesn't happen this time. We're bidding on it. I'm hoping the insurance company lets it go. The estimated retail value of that car has gone from $29,000 to now they have it up to as high as $37,000, I think, or $36,000 is what they're saying it's worth now. That's crashed. This is why the insurance company has been playing with the title all this time with the auction, or having them pull it and not sell it. So I hope we get it this time. But anyways, let's go over to Copart right now, take a look at it. You can see where we're at. And I'm telling you what, I'm going to tell you what we're willing to pay for it to bring it on home. Because it's a rebuild project that I really want to do with SlimePack, because it's going to introduce a lot of you guys that follow my channel, as well as the guys that, and you might be watching this from SlimePack's channel, you regular Mopar guys that don't watch rebuild shit, right? You're not going to watch this old ass white dude rebuilding cars. I get it, man. I get it. I understand. But I think introducing my audience to SlimePack's, SlimePack directly, and kind of teaching her some different things on how to rebuild these cars, you know, how to take these fenders off and stuff. One is like awesome experience for her, because she can work on her own shit in the future. And I think it's going to bring a whole new slew of content and other people to her channel. So that's what the purpose is with the car. And then when it's all said and done, she keeps the car. That's simple. So, I know you guys are gonna say, well, how is that possible, TK? There's no way you can afford it. One, it's sponsored. I'm not really paying out of pocket, minus maybe fees and moving it. That's gonna be my expense. All the videos I do on the car that I do with SlimePack, I almost keep using their government name, that I keep using with that we keep doing with SlimePack, will pay for any cost that I have out in the car. That's how I'm able to do it. To give you a prime example, this GTO, the Prince GTO, we were at $4,740. That was after fees and everything out the door on this vehicle. And I've probably put about $4,000 into it already. And I can tell you this, the car is already halfway paid for. So what we paid for the car is almost back. And in videos that I have coming up this month with rebuilding this car's done, rebuilding the suspension, you know, the brake lines, all the other crap that I did, all the different videos of me hand wrenching on this car will eventually pay for every single penny that I put into it. That's how automotive YouTube works. If you're not doing it that way, it adds up, starts getting expensive. All right. So, anywho's, let's go ahead and jump over to Copart's website right now, or the app, and let me give you a look at Slime Pack's car and where we're at on it. All right, guys, so we are in here in the app. We're going to hit my watch list, and yes, there's some vehicles in here that you guys are going to be like, what is he doing? I told you we got some big things planned for the channel this year, and we have bigger budgets. So yeah, but anyways, you can see right here at the bottom the 2019 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. You can see I am winning the car, meaning I have the highest bid on the vehicle at this point. None of this has ever changed. You can see it here. It says I am winning. My max bid on the vehicle right now is $21,000. It's the same bid that I put on every single time. Now, I know a lot of you guys are going to say, well, TK, the reason why people are like, there's no way you're doing this is because how can you afford to just, you know, buy Slime Pack's car back and rebuild it for her, or rebuild it with her and give it back to her? Let me explain to you how this works. There's this wonderful thing in YouTube that we call sponsors. Sponsors love a good story. They love to get featured in every single video that you're doing about said project that lives on YouTube forever. It's like perpetual advertising. Not only is it advertising on my channel, but it ends up being advertisement on Slime Pack's channel as well for this sponsor, which we haven't yet named because we don't have the car yet. Now, here's the wonderful thing about this. If the car goes for, let's say it goes more than $21,000, I end up paying, say, like $23,000 for the car, right? So $2,000 out of pocket plus fees, and then we got to get into parts and things of that nature. And let's say out the door, I'm at like $32,000, fully rebuilding this car, putting it back on the road, and handing the keys over to Slime Pack. How do I make my money back? Well, it's very simple. It's all about the videos. You know, some of y'all be like, at least people my age will tell you it's all about the Benjamins. Look, man, it's legit. It's legit all about the views. And when you're doing something like this, it's one, a feel-good story. Two, it's for an awesome person. If you haven't subscribed to Slime Pack _392, I highly recommend you do so. She's an awesome person. And I think she deserves it. She hustles. She works hard. And I think this would be great content, not just from my channel as a rebuild, but also for her channel, because this is not something that her subscribers are used to seeing. And she'll get some life experience out of it. And she gets to learn how to work on her own car. Not saying that she'll ever have an issue with the wide body she has now, but who knows? And then who knows what she does with either one of these cars moving forward. You never know, man. Maybe she does something crazy. But in my opinion, you know, there can only be one of these cars, and we're going to make this a one-on-one. I think what she had already did to Slime Pack was ridiculous. I think Slime was already looking ridiculous. And I think once we get some other things done to it, there won't be another example of what this car looks like on the internet. Never mind in Fayetteville or North Carolina. So I'm excited for the build. I'm looking forward to getting my hands on it. This is your update. This will show you that, yes, TK actually is bidding on this car. Yes, TK actually dropped 21 racks on this vehicle so far, and this will be the 5th time. And yes, I'm willing to spend a little bit more. We're gonna buy the car. The content will pay me back for whatever I have to put out into the vehicle. Not to mention it's gonna boost up her channel as well. But anywho's, guys, there you guys have it. There's your update on that part, at least from what you're seeing on the Copart side. Now this thing is a whole nother story. Big news on what this is. This is a spoiler for some people here in a little bit. I'm gonna talk about this here in the near future, and why I should change it out after I got cut. But yeah, big news on the Purple Rain GTO coming soon as well. But anywho's, guys, you can see I'm sweating like a pig. I'm sweating balls. I have to hit the Dallas Copart in like an hour, so it's going to be crazy. So I'm going to go out there and kind of get my videos in from there, and then it's time to go back to work, man. I got just more and more stuff I got to get done. But anywho's, I want to thank you guys very much for tuning in today. Thank you guys very much for, you know, sharing these videos, you know, being a part of the team, being a part of the fam over here at TK's Garage. Major shout out to SlimePack_392 as well. If you haven't subscribed to her channel, go do that. But with that said, there's your update. You know we're winning it. You can see that I'm bidding on it, and it just is what it is. So with that said, thank you guys very much for watching. I truly appreciate it, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Whoopsie!